Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlett. Here's Donnie. That's right. We are going to be doing a Husqvarna giveaway, right? Husqvarna giveaway. Now, one simple thing to get your name into these drawings, because we're doing not one, not two, we're giving away three different things, okay? Now, like I said, in order to win, you must go onto the website, www.bartlettman.com, purchase any Husqvarna power equipment, whether it's a gas-powered or battery-powered, and your name automatically just gets thrown into that bowl right there, okay? And boom, you're entered to win. Now, you've got 2 weeks, 2 weeks, to get your name in there. And the prizes, as you're seeing it right here, first drawing, or the grand prize drawing, I should say, is a Husqvarna 550 XP Mark II with an 18-inch bar and the chain to go along with it, right? Because we need that chain to cut. So that's your first. That's the grand prize. That's the Mac Daddy right there. Now, second thing that we are giving away is going to be a Husqvarna PPE Kit with a file handle, right? Everybody needs a file handle. That's what I like. Now, last but not least, drum roll, please. We're gonna do a Husqvarna Splitting Axe. Right, so a Husqvarna Splitting Axe along with a sharpening stone is the final giveaway. And again, in order to win, head on over to the website, www.bartlettman.com. I don't know, I might have thrown an extra W in there. I'm a little bit excited if you can't tell. Yeah! Now, head to the website, purchase any Husqvarna power equipment head, gas, battery, whatever floats your boat, whatever gets you going, whatever just, you know, whatever you are more inclined to use, and your name gets tossed in there to win one of these 3 prizes. Now, thanks for watching this. Good luck, everybody.